When I prepare this delicious drink, everyone asks me for the recipe. Look how tasty it looks. I will start this recipe by cutting an apple in half, which must be well washed. Then I will remove the center with the help of a cuchillo, and then cut it into small cubes. Meanwhile, I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Oladil Iduwu from Nigeria, also for Brenda Delalo from Philippines, and Liza Payton from Australia. Thank you very much for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Also for this recipe we will need a large beetroot, or also known in some countries as beetroot. Leave me here below as beetroot is known in your country. This beetroot I will remove the peel and then cut it in half and then into smaller pieces. Already cut, I will reserve it. Now I'm going to cut 3 pineapple slices, first into strips and then into small cubes, this way I'm doing. Then I will remove the peel from a ripe banana, or also known as banana, then cut it into thin slices. In addition, we will need half a papaya. Tell me how this fruit is known in your country. I will cut this papaya into strips and then into large pieces. People, this natural juice that we are making is super easy to make and is incredibly delicious. I am sure that everyone will like the result. Finally, we're going to need some mango, which I'll cut into small cubes. In the blender I will add all the fruits I have cut. I'll start by adding the sliced banana. Then the pineapple cut into cubes. The piece of mango cut into small cubes. The papaya cut into large pieces. The apple cut into pieces. Finally, the beetroot cut into small cubes. Now I'm going to add 500 milliliters of anise water to it. I will turn on the blender and blend at maximum speed for 3 minutes. If necessary, you can add a little more anise water, so that all the fruits can be liquefied well. Next, let's sweeten our juice with honey. If you want you can add sugar, but honey is healthier. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I like natural juice, so I can send you a very special greeting. And now our natural juice is ready. This juice that we have made is very nutritious and healthy. I hope you make this delicious juice at home, although I would like you to rate it from 0 to 10 so you know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoe, and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes.